All right, welcome back again to my channel. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I would like to share something very, very important with us because there's something that DPM posted about, she's contesting for Senate seat, right? Georgia Senate seat. I think we are going to go through that. I may not, tell you all those things offhand because I'm not an American now. And most of you know, I believe you follow her, you have seen all those things. But there's something that I want to call our attention to. You see, when God is working for you, sometimes you may not recognize the impact of that. Like you may not value it at that point in time. But as time may go on, you may start seeing the dividends of that. It is not easy for a political party to just hand you over their flag. Nigerian call that flag bearer and something like that. Like once you won the primary, you are now, contesting from that party. No other person is going to contest with you. You are now the flag bearer of that party for that particular position. So they handed this over to DPM with that, like, nobody debated it, nobody contested with her. That is the value. That is how important the DPM is to the party, and they have seen her value, and they know she's capable enough to be there. And some people don't want to accept this. Don't worry. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's go through it, step by step. Now, I'm going to share this with you because she made this publication on her X. So let's just go through it together. Press release May 21st, 2026. Now the primary of Georgia Senate District 44 is over. I will be contesting with Sarah for the general election on November 3rd, 2026. Let us get the Democrats out from Georgia Senate District 44 and restore hope and Republican traditional values to our system and communities. Early voting starts from should be October. Okay, start from November 3rd. November, not October. November 3rd. This is okay. Early voting starts from October 13, 2026, and end October 30, 2026. Then election day is November 3rd, 2026. I and majority of my supporters, including the Biafran community and indigenous Nigerians in Georgia, played a huge role in 2024 to elect President Donald J. Trump. We shall do it again come November 3rd, 2026, to elect Dr. Ngozi Orabueze to the Georgia Senate District 44 seats. My success will make the job of my preferred candidate for Georgia Governor Bud Jones easier. Run off from governorship. Bud Jones is in June. I think another election, June 16, 2026. Please vote on that day as well. So the person is running for governorship, but Jonas, okay, and I am pro-Trump, Christian value, pro-life, of course, as a nurse, pro-Second Amendment. I don't know. This one has to do with Americans. I'm not American. Maybe there's something that has to do with the amendment there. So I believe in elimination of property tax in Georgia, stop transgender. That one is very, very important. I can feel it. Or what do you even expect from a Biafran? It's only those Biafran that don't know that they're Biafran. Maybe they are little from Bomosho, Lagos. You don't you don't know your value, you don't know our culture, then you can talk about what is transgender. So DPM says stop transgender children mutilation, traditional values, freedom, cut funding to countries and agencies that promote terrorism and attack America. Like people that are marching American flag. Sometimes it's weird. Somebody can you say you are you if we watch a video or short clip or long clip, depending, people chanting "Death for America," marching American flag, burning their flag, burning Israeli flag, and somehow a political party from America will be funding such agency, such group like Islamic Brotherhood. That's one of the things that Trump has done. Some of us that are not conversant enough about American politics because of our situation. We are not paying attention to all those things. Seeing people marching an American flag is relief. Imagine now that I woke up in the morning and I saw a video of people chanting "Death Biafran, Death for Biafran," marching Biafran flag. How do you think I will feel? Exactly. So it's something that people need to. So DPM, of course, speaking from the angle of based on the experience that that all of us are witnessing in Nigeria today, the level of terrorism, protecting terrorists, drafting out law that to sue terrorists, people that are harboring terrorists and incubating them are the one leading. So what do you expect? And DPM, after knowing all those things, you expect her to just fold hand? No. She said again, I came with a clinical credibility that my opponent lacks. That one is she just threw shot there. And I am the only one that has actually treated patients in the dark, I don't know the place, and Clinton County. So DeKalb and Clinton County. Crime and public safety are personal and local. Having worked with a patient clean through jail and crisis center, my first-hand experience makes the issue human, not political. My opponent lacked this knowledge. Makande, Georgia, for you to know why you will vote for her. So you have to understand that DPM have that people that from her community don't joke with her. That is why nobody decided to contest this position with her. They're just okay, please take it and go. So my clinical background gives me authentic standing to champion the 300-bed phonic mental health hospital in the DeKalb for individuals with mental health problem and many more. Lazuba, you need to relocate to this place. Honestly, many of you need to relocate. You have to benefit. No, one night, why not? Don't mind me. But many of our people actually need this mental assistance. That's what the facts. Many of our people need it. How can you then not need it, please? I am happy and excited. Vote Ngozi Orabueze. Let's get to work. So that is from DPM. And the picture here, like this one, like I said, I don't know how those things work in America, but yeah, I can tell you, DPM is not joking. She's not backing down on this journey. She's not backing down on this. Some people have actually thrown some shots that DPM contesting for this position will automatically affect her presence. We are distract her focus. In different recognition, which I find weird as well, because how can you say that kind of thing? We are talking about America. Somebody is paying lobby. Somebody is paying lobby just to get to Washington DC to cross the gate, not to, have some meeting one-on-one meeting or being in the parliament to engage the senators. No. Compare it with the Rachel, the lady from the Israeli lady, that Israeli lady that married the Biafran that is doing wonderfully well. You know, she told you that, see, my lobby, she's helping us to get this done. You see them, in the parliament house, not hanging around maybe in the vicinity, parliament vicinity, trying to have urgent handshake and record it, save it. You know, the maybe the guy was having handshake. And I'm trying to choose my word. Sorry about that. The guy was trying to have handshake, having multiple handshake, and he mistakenly, handshaked McAnod. He of course recorded it and put the normal tweet to make it look like that he has won a jackpot. McAnod was like, "We just had lunch. I don't know you." Honestly, we have seen a lot here. To be honest, with you. Something that ordinarily we wouldn't have expected that this kind of thing would be playing out, but it's playing out before us. Not our fault. Do you understand? So now the advice I have for people, Biafrans, because I don't want to go to issue of Oge. Let me just cut it off there. The advice I have for Biafrans that lives in Georgia or that can do something. You may not be living in Georgia, but you can also promote, you can support DPM. How? You may say how. One, you can reach out to her to donate for her campaign, logistic and all that. If you think that you can that you don't want to waste your money, or you can campaign for her, all right, on your Facebook. You can just make just record some videos that will speak up, on her behalf, or you can get someone to do it for you. Then you now put the ad on Facebook, then choose the location to be in Georgia, and also you can also do that on YouTube, so that anybody that resides in that state, like in Georgia, or maybe in like in Georgia, yeah, and that is using Facebook, using YouTube, anytime they click, they will now that your advert will play in that region to let people know her credibility. DPM may not know, I'm just telling you, DPM may not know, but by so doing, you are winning souls for her. Those of you that can afford it, I will encourage you to do it. It's not too late. The time, like, it's gonna start November. And October I think October 13 is the early voting. So you still have time to run the campaign now. How can you go about it? Very simple. Get someone to get advertisement for her. It may be a white person, all right, because this has to do with American or Black American that can speak the way that people that live there will understand and know that this is one of us. You know what I mean? Then you now put the campaign for her, choose the location, the region. That's what Biafrans need to do. Anyway, I may throw more light on this in our next video, but I just want to put it out here because of this press release that I just shared with you. Let me know what you think about it. God bless you and take care of yourself. Before I end, like I said, people claiming that she'll be distracted. That's not true. She's not going to be distracted. This will rather catapult things to the next level. If you know, you know. See you again, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye for now. Good morning, though.